So, as Anthony mentioned, I'm going to go over the background and our main goals or design goals. So, for the background, our general goal in designing and building the electrolyzer is to collect hydrogen in the most efficient way based on the electrolyzer design. We'll be collecting data to improve and to get the most efficient design. Um, the hydrogen that will be produced could be used to fuel various applications. That's one of the backgrounds that we discovered looking up the electrolyzer and how hydrogen is so diverse. As well as the hydrogen that will be produced can be used as alternative fuels. Going on to the main design goals, uh, the first design goal that we're going to be doing is splitting the water into its molecules, hydrogen and oxygen, using the process called electrolysis. And the only way we could do that is using an electrolyzer that we're going to be making and designing and making. We're going to be collecting the data that would be the most effective way to produce hydrogen. I know for sure that when we do this, it's going to be different trials and we have to record that, and eventually we'll get to the most efficient way to produce it by the voltage, adjusting that, and how we're going to collect it. We're going to be analyzing the data in order to find the most efficient way to improve on the design. So when we go through it, we might add more plates. As I mentioned before, we're going to higher the voltage. There's many different ways that we could do that. And then to prove that it worked and that our design and experiment works, we're going to do a final test on the final design, which is we're going to make like a bubble. So we could test the flammability of the hydrogen collected. And to do that, whatever gases that's collected, we'll put in like a mixture that creates like a bubble bath, and then the hydrogen will be collected in like this little bubble cloud. And then we'll just put in a controlled environment, of course, we'll be lighting it up and see the effects, how the flammability of hydrogen is. But that's basically it. I'll pass it on to my next partner who will be discussing design specifications and budgeting. Thank you.